In the next few videos, we'll be creating our first Elixir app so we can get some practice with many of the things we've learned up until this point. So what are we going to make? Well, it's not going to be a super sophisticated app. It's just a simple terminal application, which I'll demonstrate right now. The app we'll build is an election vote counting app that has the following user interface. The way you use this app is by entering one of the commands you see listed here. So for example, we can use this first command here, the name command, to provide a name for the election we're counting votes on. I'll go ahead and type name, followed by a space, and then I'll say this is for the San Francisco mayor's race. Now as soon as I press enter, the name you see here will be shown up here. You actually don't need to type the entire word name. You can just type in a portion of the command if you want to. So for example, I could just type in followed by the office name. In fact, every single one of our commands can be typed in full or in part. The next command you see is the add command, which allows you to add candidates that are running for this office. So I can type add followed by a name, and when I press enter, the candidate is assigned a unique ID and an initial vote count of 0, and it's displayed in this table. I'll add one more name, but this time I'll just type A followed by another name. The next command is the vote command, which allows you to add a vote to one of the candidates. So I'll type vote followed by the candidate ID. When I press enter, the vote count for this candidate will increase by 1, and the list of candidates will be sorted by the candidate's votes in descending order. I'll go ahead and vote a few more times, and as you can see, our app is keeping a running total of each candidate's votes. The last command is the quit command, which will exit our application. Now, this isn't a super interesting application, but it will give us a chance to use many of the things we've learned thus far, and it'll give us a chance to talk about the thought process and approach to building applications in Elixir, which is what we'll talk about in the next video.